Hi friends, I'm Renee, and welcome to my RV kitchen. So if you have an air fryer, I'm going to show you how to put a real quick meal on the table. I bought another Applewood smoked bacon pork loin. I'm going to cook it in the air fryer, 390 degrees for 20 minutes. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. And while the pork loin is cooking, I'm going to prep potatoes and carrots in the pressure cooker. All right, so in the pan, I'm just going to put some olive oil in here so it doesn't stick. I had a shot in my hand today, so I am having a hard time. Let me just slide that right in there. Oh my God. All right, I'll bring you back when it's done cooking. I don't add any more spices to the pork loin. It is already seasoned perfectly. Okay, now I'm going to prep the sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, and carrots. And then the leftover potatoes, I'll turn into a potato salad tomorrow. But since I'm already running the pressure cooker, may as well get everything cooked tonight. Okay, so for these sweet potatoes, I'm just going to quarter them. These I'm going to go ahead and put in the potato salad size. Carrots. I'm going to cut off the ends and I'll save them for the girls, the chickens. They were already washed. And then I'm just going to chunk them into thirds. All right. Then we're going to put it into the pressure cooker. 1 cup of water. Put on the lid here. For 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And then everything's cooked all at the same time. All right, there's the air fryer pork loin, 390 degrees for 20 minutes. And I did let it rest in there while the potatoes and carrots were cooking. Doesn't that look delicious? And the potatoes and carrots just finished. Okay, we are waiting for that pan to drop. All right, pin dropped. This lid off there. Grab some carrots out. I pre-melted some butter. Salt. A little pepper. Doesn't that look good? Juicy. And you want the internal temp to be at 145. Time for dinner. All right.
Thank you.
Time for the taste test.
Oh, goodness. Jackson, back off, sir. Delicious. That's a good one.
Thanks for watching. Good night.